She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the polygel set with the Joslove polygels that I just did I unboxed them in my last video. We're going to be using 302, 303, 304, and 306, and of course the clear. So first what I'm going to do is I already applied my half cover tips, and I have a peel off base coat. I already applied the tips, and I'm just going in with some base coat, and I'm applying that to the whole nail. And we want to put the base coat on so that the polygel has something to adhere to. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then we're going to be going in with the 304 sky blue, and we're going to be doing that on the pinky. So what I'm going to do for this set is the pinky, the middle, and the index. I'm gonna do like a slanted French. I'm gonna do the color up until a certain point, and then like diagonally I'm gonna leave the nail clear, and I'm gonna be putting some of the glitter that came in the kit. So yeah, this was my first time doing this, but I mean the polygels are so nice to work with. They're really nice to work with, so it made it, you know, pretty easy. So basically what I did was I brought the polygel up to a certain point, and then I took the spatula and kind of cut away where I want the clear, and then just fixing it with the brush. And I am using that slip solution. I absolutely love that slip solution that comes with the kit. It's very good. And so after I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds, and I'm just wiping off the tacky layer with some alcohol. And then I'm going to take the file, and we're just going to crispen up the polygel there. And then I'm going to be taking some base coat, and we're just going to be applying that to the clear part of the tip. This is what the glitters are going to adhere to. So I'm using these little flower glitters, and I'm taking that blue one. I'm just going to put two of them right there at the tip. I'm just positioning them in place. And then I'm taking some of the tinsel glitter that came in the kit, and I'm just applying that to just around where the flowers are, just basically wherever it's clear. I just want to add a little bit, you know, of a little bit of color there. So yeah, they're so thin and tiny, but it did add a little bit of shine, you know, when the sun hit it, the light hit it. So yeah. I did apply a little bit too much here on the pinky. I still got to get used to how much polygel I need to apply to the nail. But yeah, I'm really enjoying working with polygel. So basically, yeah, I'm just encapsulating all that glitters, and I'm just trying to make everything nice and smooth and even. So I just want to say I did get some bubbles this time with the clear, and I think it's because I used a slip solution. In my last set when I did the clear, I used alcohol because the clear is very sticky. So I think that's why I got bubbles this time, was because of the slip solution maybe. But yeah, the middle here, I don't know what was going on, but I wasn't recording. So I realized, you know, looked up and realized. But yeah, basically I did the same thing. I just applied the purple polygel, and I'm just making a slanted line there. And then I'm going to go in with these are the purple stars. All the glitters and stuff, everything came in the kit. So yeah, I'm just using the little purple stars. But yeah, like I was saying about the clear, I think it is the clearest clear. It's absolutely clear. But yeah, like I said, I think it was because of the slip solution maybe that caused some bubbles, because I didn't have that last time. Because it is stickier, and so last time I did use the alcohol, but this time I just wanted to use the slip solution. So now I know when I do the clear, you do want to use alcohol, because last time the alcohol didn't make it cloudy or anything. So yeah, it's all about trial and error, you know, trying different things. And so the same thing, we're just going to go in and encapsulate the glitters with the clear polygel. Alright, so on the index finger I'm using 306 turquoise. This color is so pretty. Oh, I really love this color. In the probably next month or July, I'm going to be doing a set with these again because I want to do like a mermaid set. This turquoise is just, oh, it'd go perfect. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So yeah, same exact thing. I'm just doing the same thing on these nails, just creating that little kind of slanted fringe. Well, not really a fringe. I mean, I don't know why I call it a fringe, but basically just, I don't even know if it's color blocking. I don't know, but I just wanted the tip to be clear. And so I did make sure I'm wiping away all the polygel off the tip. That way it can be as clear as it can be. And then I did end up filing a little bit of this one just because it was a little bit bulkier than the other nail. So I just tried to go ahead and just file that nail. And so I'm taking these little white iridescent, I think they're like little, they look like little teardrops or raindrops. And I'm just putting those on the nails because I didn't have anything really that was turquoise glitter. So I just thought I'd use the white, and I think it looked cute. And then I did take the little tinsel glitter again. This is like this one's turquoise. It did match pretty good. And just filling in those spaces with the little tinsel. And so after I do that, I am going and curing that for about 30 seconds just to cure all the glitters in place. And then I do go and apply the clear polygel. So I hope everyone had a nice Mother's Day. My mom was actually sick that day, so I ended up going to my brother's because we already had planned, you know, for lunch and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to be taking her out to lunch here pretty soon because she's still not feeling good. So, but yeah, I hope everybody had a nice day. Alright, so for the ring and thumb, I'm going to go in and do a marble. I'm just laying, I'm sorry, I kept getting out of frame. I would look up and think I was in frame, and then, yeah, I wasn't, so. But basically, I'm just taking all the colors, all 4 colors, just little dots, and I'm placing them on the nail just randomly. And then I'm going to swirl them around to create the marble, and then we'll go in with the brush. But it came out cute. I like the way it came out. I just wish I would have used, I kind of needed to use a little bit more purple. I kind of used too much of the dark. I should have took out one of the blues, probably the sky blue, just because it was super dark. You couldn't really see the purple. So yeah, I haven't done that many marbles with the polygel, so yeah, I'm still learning. But yeah, at least I know next time to incorporate more of the light color. But yeah, I'm just taking the dotting tool. This came in the kit. And I'm just kind of swirling the colors around. And then I do go in with the brush and just smooth everything out. But I thought it did look cool. They were like cotton candy colors. Alright, so this is the marble here, and I think it came out cute. I'm going to do some hand filing first, just to crispen up the edges, and I don't know, I like using the hand file. And this little file worked pretty good, so. And so now I am going to go in and use the drill, and I did leave the sound on, but it is sped up. It is sped up quite a bit. But sorry if you hear some weird noises. My son was watching a movie, and so it was like, it sped it up and it sounded kind of funny, but yeah, I just wanted to leave all the sound, you know, of the drill in. But I like this little ceramic bit that came with the kit. It worked really, really good. I didn't have any problems with the drill at all. Everything worked perfectly fine. So I'm so glad I have this drill now, because I didn't have a portable one, you know, rechargeable one before. So yeah, I really do recommend it. It's a really good drill, and the price is just excellent. And so this is the sanding band. This is the one that came with the kit. And it's just a standard, you know, sanding band, but yeah, everything worked really good. And then this is a little pointy diamond bit that came with the kit also, and I liked it to go around the cuticles. And then I did have to try my little sanding little disc here. This is the Joslove sanding disc, and that's what I used to crispen up the free edge and then the sides of the nails. And yeah, the drill worked fine, no problems at all. And so this is after they're all filed and buffed. And so now I'm going to be applying the top coat to all the nails. And like I said, I love this top coat. It's really, really good. And I do go on the underside, just of the nails that have the clear. That way you can really see, you know, see through it and see the clear. So for all the nails that have the clear tips, I'm going to be taking the rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to be putting it where the clear and the color meet. I'm just going to be putting rhinestones right across that nail. And I only showed one nail because it's the same exact thing. I'm just placing it, you know, just having the rhinestones kind of separate the color and the clear. But yeah, these rhinestones, I mean, they're just like plastic rhinestones, but I mean, they were still fine. They were clear, and I mean, they were still, you know, fine to me. They still, you know, had pretty good shine to them. And the rhinestone glue was pretty good. It was thick. Yeah, and I wore them for around the house for about a day and did dishes and all that, and didn't have any problem with losing any of the rhinestones. And then I did cure that for 60 seconds. And then for the ring finger and the thumb, I'm just going to do some cuticle rhinestones. So I'm just going to be placing them right around the cuticle there. So remember, this kit and the drill are available on walmart.com, and I think the price is just amazing and the quality is great. So definitely recommend Joslove. They're a really good company. So this is the finished set here, and look at that clear and the rhinestones, that top coat, everything's just so pretty, and I will show a video of it in the sunlight. But yeah, I really, like I said, I really do like their polygels. They're really, really good. And this is in the sunlight. That clear is just, oh, I just love it. And then the little glitters and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much, Joslove. I really appreciate you know, that I get to review these products because they really are good. I really enjoy them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.